Being very honest, very rarely. It's like, I mean, it's just tons of words. It's not really that interactive. So people just like ask us what this is about, and we just like quickly summarize it in like 3 points, and do just like, oh, thank you, and just walk in and do the fun stuff, which is like some photos, do a bit more interactive stuff, but like rarely the case that you see anyone reading the slides on screen.
Introducing our innovative app designed to revolutionize your Vivid Sydney experience. Is your personal digital guides harness the power of advanced image classification technology. Capture the moment by taking photo on the spot or choose from your gallery and let our app work its magic. Discover a whole new level of engagements as our app goes beyond identifications. Unveil the secret behind each artwork with comprehensive information about the artist, their inspiration story, and the historical context that shaped their masterpiece. Explore the precise location and name of the magnificent art installations and landmark art that surround you. Our app bridges the gap between art and observer, empower you to become an active participant in the storytelling process. Dive deeper into the narrative,